Welcome back to Brighter Financial Future, Future Millionaires and Billionaires. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the type of accounts everyone should have. I know you love the sound of my voice, but let's jump right into this disclaimer. This show is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and any investment may involve risks. Now let's jump right into today's program. When it comes to investing, I believe there's four types of accounts everyone should have. The first type of account I think everyone needs is an emergency savings account. Now, this account is strictly for emergencies. Worst case scenario, you lose your job, you're not getting any more income. This is where that account comes in handy. This doesn't count trying to fix your car, vacations, none of that. This is strictly for emergency purposes only. Now, this account you should build up the first 3 months, 6 months, 9 months to a year. So you want to slowly build this account up to 3 months minimum. However you do it, if you make $1,000 a month, whatever you can, you want to put in this account because this account is strictly for emergencies only. If anything we learned from last year, if you lose your job, even if you're able to receive unemployment, you really want to have a buffer to hold you down because you don't know when you're going to get that unemployment check. So it's so important to build an emergency fund. So that's account number one everyone should have. Account number two, I call it a spending account. So this will include any bills you have to pay, any vacations you want to save up for, if anything happens to your car, just little things. This is where this money is going to come in handy. So basically your everyday expenses will go into the spending account. So you do want to create a little bit of a buffer in this account. That way you don't have to dip into your emergency savings. And your emergency savings account should be a separate account from your spending account and preferably a different bank. That way you can just do direct deposit in your emergency account. You're not even seeing it. The third type of account everyone should have is a retirement account. This account you're going to fund for retirement purposes only. So only put money into this account that's going to go towards your retirement that you don't need right away. So for example, a Roth IRA is an example of a retirement account everyone should have if you qualify. And the fourth type of account is your regular brokerage or investment account. This is money that you can put in that you can access at any time. Hopefully you don't have to access this money, but if you do, you can cash out without penalties compared to your retirement account. So for example, if you invest in Tesla, AT&T, whatever you like, you can access this money at any given time, but this is really for investment purposes only. And when you fund these accounts, when you fund your investments account, kind of consider that somewhat of lost money as well, because you don't want to sell. You don't want to be put in a position where you're forced to sell. For example, you buy a company for $100. That company is actually low at this point. It's $80, but you're forced to sell because you have some type of expense you have to take care of. You sell that company at a loss for $20. You lose $20 selling that company for $80. But if you would have held just a week, 2, or even 3 months later, that company jumps up to 100, 120. The stock market does go up and down. So it's important to have the ability to hold when you can. You don't want to be forced out of the market. So that's why these are the four type of accounts I think everyone should have. Emergency account is so important. Your spending account for your everyday needs, as far as how you fund your retirement account and your investment account, that depends on, do you need the money, like how liquid do you need your cash to be? That's something everyone has to decide for themselves. But it doesn't matter if you're putting $5 into these accounts, $10, $20. Every penny adds up. Oh, I can't do it. $5. Put $5 into your emergency account. Put $5 in your investment account. Just putting something in there, it gives you the habit to kind of build. And when you get the extra money, put more in there. Tax season's coming up. Put some of it away for a rainy day. it's important to live a little, pay your bills, but you want to build these accounts out because at the end of the day, this channel is about building a brighter financial future, and these are some of the ways to get there. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe button, the like button, share this video with your friends, and have a good one. See you guys in the next video. Take care.